Hello everyone, just a short video talking about the customization abilities of Android. As people you probably know that you can customize Android cell phones and tablets, but you can also customize Android mini PCs. Android mini PCs come in lots of different shapes and sizes. You've got the Minix Neo X5, which I'm using at the moment. There's the Amitos, there's lots of different types. I think where they better devices such as the Roku boxes and Apple TV is that they do pretty much the same things, but because they're Android based, you can customize them a hell of a lot more as well. So if you've got an Android mini PC, the first time you boot it up and the first time you turn it on, the chances are it's going to look exactly like a tablet. You can have in the top right hand corner a little bit where you can access your applications. You're going to have a permanent search bar there. At the bottom you can have a few the mainstay applications, and then you can customize a home screen how you want it. But I've gone that step further. I've completely changed the look of my Android mini PC so it reflects what I use most. Okay, so what you've got here is just 18 boxes which all launch the relevant applications. Excuse me, and I've created these using just one application, and the application is called UCCW. You can get that from the Play Store, and it's an application which allows you to create your own widgets, and pretty much you can create exactly what you want. Your imagination is your only limit. So the way I've created these is I've downloaded various wallpapers and pictures from the internet, imported them into UCCW, and yeah, pretty much just created my own widgets there. You can put your own fonts into the widget, anything you want, and that's how you create these. And this is just pretty much 6 widgets, and each one is 1 across by 3 down, and yeah, each one contains a hotspot. So if I click, say for example, Play Store, it just launches the Play Store just like that. And the settings, which is going to be pretty self-explanatory, goes on to the settings, and there's calendar, which launches a calendar, and there's YouTube, a gallery, Hangouts, Vine, Netflix, but you can change it exactly how you want to. Think of the possibilities of the way you can customize your Android cell phones and your tablets, and you can do exactly the same thing with an Android mini PC. Okay, when you get an Android mini PC, you also have a bottom bar across the bottom, that's the navigation bar, and you have it, and it have the back button, the recent applications, and it will have the home button. It takes up real estate on the screen, so I decided to get rid of mine, or hide it anyway, and I've installed an application on my Android mini PC called Pi, or Pi Control, and it lets you click anywhere on the screen and it brings up home, recent apps, and this one I've customized for myself, and it's recent app, it is the notification shade, so it brings up that. But with the Pi and Pi Control application, you can have not just 1 circle, but you can have 2 circles here, and you can have exactly what you want. You're not just limited to 3 here. You could have a back button if you need be. You could have applications linked here. So yeah, if I work out how to link applications at the bottom of this video, then you can click on it, and I'll list UCCW on there, and also Pi Control. Okay, so that can be used from pretty much within any application. I don't need a back button because the device I'm using has a back button, so I can just go back that way. So I can just go straight home there. Also, I've installed an application called Swaps, or maybe it's pronounced Swaps, I'm not sure, which basically lets you, from within any application again, open up your app drawer, but you can customize it, the background color, the color of the text, how many starred applications you want. So starred is pretty much means favorites, so they're the ones applications that I use the most, so I can jump to them really quickly, and it's got all my applications on there as well, so if I need to get to anything within inside any application, I can. So let's take this for a test drive. So I'm going to boot up YouTube. There we go. Take a little while. Some of my subscriptions I subscribe to. Okay, and say I want to jump to something else. Then I just swipe across here, and for example I want to go to I don't know, so back to the Play Store, and straight to the Play Store. It just saves going straight back to the home screen all the time. It's just straight there. Okay, let's launch Google Plus, and there we go. It's on Google Plus. It's just updating. And there we go. So obviously you can use PyControl to jump straight between the applications that are recent, which you can do there. Swipe them away, just as you would on that tablet. Or if you need to go to something different, then you just open up the swaps or swaps, as some of you might pronounce it, and then you can just go straight to whatever application you need straight from there. Okay. Also, the way I've laid this out, I'm using Nova Launcher, by the way, and I've just got one home screen. Obviously with Android tablets, Android mini PCs, the built-in launchers will let you have maybe 5, maybe 7 home screens, but I'm using Nova Launcher, or in fact I've got Nova Launcher Prime, and I've just narrowed it down just to one home screen because everything I need, everything I use is pretty much just on one screen. And if I need to launch anything else, I can just go straight to the app drawer, or just launch it from the side, which is there. So I've got it all sorted here. Also, there is a way to put folders onto these, which is overlaid over the top of the UCCW application. It's a bit fiddly to do, but once you get it, once you understand the way it operates, you can do it pretty easily. So the top 6 and the bottom 6 just launch the relevant applications, and the middle 6 all do, with the exception of internet. Now on the internet, if I press that, you'd think I'll go straight to the Google homepage, but I've done it. So when you press it, it opens up a secret hidden folder, which gives me shortcuts to the web pages that I use most frequently. So it just cuts out the middleman. Instead of going to the internet first, to Google Play, then maybe going to your bookmarks, then straight to your favourites. After that, your bookmarks, it just goes straight there. So just saves a little bit of time here and there. Okay, this is a video game website, all the latest news. And there it is. So yeah, if you want to write on the comments underneath this video, maybe if you need to ask how I set this up, then maybe I can explain it better in another video, maybe give you a tutorial on UCCW. But yeah, hopefully I've given you a bit of food for thought as regards to possibilities of not just customizing your Android cell phone, and to a lesser extent your Android tablets, but you can do it on an Android mini PC, because at the end of the day this is running Android obviously, so you can customize it exactly how you want it, the same as you would with a cell phone or an Android tablet. Okay, so this is on my Minix Neo X5, and this is using Nova Launcher and UCCW. There's the bottom one now, which is Pi or PyControl, and the side one, which I can swipe out whenever I want to, is called Swaps or Swaps. Okay, thank you for watching.